everyone, welcome to HMEF5023 Educational Leadership online course. In this course, you will learn the theoretical foundation of educational leadership and organization to enable you to understand and utilize the theoretical concepts in managing and administering your organization or school effectively with minimal obstacles. Moreover, you will be also exposed to problem solving in educational contexts and educational leadership practices in selected case studies and research for improvement. We have Google Meet meetings, e-lessons, e-forum sessions, and so much more. Also, this course page has learning resources that have been uploaded and embedded. Please take your time reading these materials. Finally, be sure to bring all your questions with you when we meet online. Have a good day and we will meet you soon. Happy learning!